Welcome to Writers ER, your best buddy for nailing academic writing. Today we're talking about a big issue, avoiding plagiarism. Plagiarism can trip up your academic journey, but with the right steps, you can keep your work original and respected. You hand in your dissertation, years of hard work, only to be accused of copying. The fallout is bad, you lose trust, face school penalties, maybe even get kicked out. But here's the upside, you can completely avoid plagiarism. Let's jump into 4 key steps to keep your schoolwork free from plagiarism. First step, know what plagiarism is. Plagiarism isn't just lifting someone's work word for word. It's wider than that. It covers changing words around without giving credit, using ideas without saying so, and even reusing your old work without permission or citation. The trick to skipping plagiarism is understanding these details. It's not just about avoiding the clear copy-paste. It's about respecting other people's ideas in all forms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and tips on dissertation and thesis research. Second step, get good at citing. Proper citing is your guard against plagiarism. It's not just a rule, it's an academic duty. Every time you use a source, whether it's a direct quote, a changed phrase, or an idea, cite it. But it's not just about citing, it's about citing right. Get to know the citing style your course wants, whether it's APA, MLA, or Chicago. Citing wrong can be as bad as not citing at all. Third step, build good research habits. Good research is more than just finding info. It's sorting it in a way that respects original sources. Start by taking good notes and clearly telling apart your thoughts and sourced info. Use quotation marks for direct quotes and always note down the source. Good research habits also mean double-checking facts and understanding the background of your sources. This makes sure you not only dodge plagiarism, but also keep your work honest and accurate. Fourth step, use plagiarism checking tools. In our techie world, tools like Turnitin or Grammarly can be real lifesavers. These tools match your work against a huge library of school texts, pointing out areas that might be a problem. But remember, these tools are helpers, not fixes. They can't understand context or intent, so you still have to check their findings and make the needed changes. Using these steps in your school journey. Now let's bring these steps into your school routine. Start by looking over your current project. Have you cited all your sources? Have you changed phrases correctly? Run your draft through a plagiarism checker and carefully look over the results. Next, think about your research process. Are you keeping neat notes? Can you tell the difference between your ideas and others? Making sure your research process is clear is a proactive step towards dodging plagiarism. Finally, make citing a habit, not a last-minute thing. Make proper citing part of your writing process. This not only saves time, but also builds a habit of respect for other people's ideas. Wrapping up, keeping school honesty. Remember, avoiding plagiarism isn't just a rule to follow. It's a promise to keep school honest. It's about adding to the world of knowledge with truth and respect. By using these steps, you're not just protecting your school career, you're also upholding the values of your learning community. To wrap up, think of your big school project like a badge of honor. It shows off all your hard work, your stick-to-itiveness, and your straight-up honesty. By keeping it clean of any copy-pasting, you're not just ticking off a task, you're building a strong, honest start to your school career. Lastly, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and tips on dissertation and thesis research. Thanks for hanging out with us at Writers ER. Stick around for more tips and tricks to help you ace your school writing. And remember, with the right know-how and habits, you can write confidently and honestly. Let's turn your school dreams into reality.